how to edit and change default pre-order message on your store on Bigcommerce isn't quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit it and change it. First, open your browser, and now once you're here on Bigcommerce, go to settings, and as you see here you will find Bigcommerce settings. Now scroll down until you find here display, or you can just type here display and click on it. And now scroll down, and here we'll find the default pre-order message. Now just if you want to edit it, to change it, just remove it and type here until you want, and then click save, and your settings have been updated. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.